can't really see them all, but yeah, I kind of went through it a little bit, broke up some pieces. But yeah, there's a lot of Hello everybody, I got a Lego haul today, a book Lego haul actually, sitting right here in a bag. Got it pretty cheap. Yeah, I was kind of looking through it earlier. There's some non-Lego in here, like this plate right here. You can see it doesn't have the Lego logos on it. But yeah, I'm gonna have to sort all this out. It's actually all pretty clean. I guess there was a kid that had it, he wasn't playing with it. There's a lot of these here. There's actually, I think this is Bionicle. I don't know. Always comment below and let me know. I know Bionicle's worth something. I know those are Lego. But yeah, oh, this one's a little dirty. I may have to clean them too. You can see that one is Lego there. So there's supposed to be 9 pounds here. Got some windows. Oh, that's kind of into it earlier. There was some, I don't know if that's Lego or not. I've seen these before. I'm not sure if they're Lego. You can always comment below and let me know if you recognize anything in here. So, yeah, so I'm going to pour this out here on the floor. There's a window. Those are pretty hard to find. Yeah, there you go. See, that's definitely not Lego. There's a bunch of these in there. There's no one there. But, yeah, let me dump these on the floor and see what's in here. Looks like a Bionicle hand or fist. So, yeah, there's also Duplo Elite too. So, Duplo. I think they're actually compatible with regular Lego somehow or another. You can actually connect them to regular Lego. So it'd be good for like things like mountains, because you know it takes up more space. Like that. So, yeah, I'll pour them on the floor and just my camera, and that way we can see what's in here. So I'll be right back. Okay, I went and dumped them out here. Can't really see them all, but yeah, I kind of went through it a little bit, broke up some pieces. But yeah, there's a lot of these non-Lego ones here. There's some of these non-Lego out here. This almost like Bionicle. I'm not sure if it's Bionicle or Technic, or if it's even Lego. I'm going to call it Lego. So yeah, it's going to take a little bit of time to kind of go through here. I mean, some of it pretty obvious is Lego. Like there's these kinetics, Kinects, I guess, in here too. So throw this in there. Well, it's all actually pretty clean. It's not too bad. There's some of these weird. I'm pretty sure that's Bionicle. That's actually 2 pieces there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's Bionicle. So there's some tires. I haven't seen no gems in here yet. We did find this. My fiance found this little guy here. If I get it showing on here, in front of it. Little kitty cat. She wants that. Did find that in here. It was laying on top. So it looks like there might be some city stuff in here. Let's see where that comes from. Sorry, I'm kind of leaning over. You probably can't see it very well. My back is really bad, so I have to kind of lean over a little bit. But then there's some regular average pieces too. Like your 4x2, I can't remember what these are called, but stuff that I can use. Yeah. Those are obviously not Lego. I don't know what those are. I know that plate is dollar store. And there's only a few Duplos in here. It's not really much. Not enough to build really anything, really. I mean, there's only a few. There's 3 there. before. There's one of those longer dragon non-Lego. There's a lot of those in here. There's also a lot of this too, a lot of like motorized type things. Like this thing here, I believe that's Lego. A lot of these, I think they're wind-ups. It doesn't say Lego on it anywhere. I'm pretty sure they are. I've seen these before. There was another one bigger than that. Like this, yeah, this right here. If you recognize any of these, let me know if they're Lego or not. There's no number on them or anything like that, or any sign of them being Lego. They look Lego to me. Down at the bottom, there's some numbers here, but I'm not sure what the numbers mean. Yep, Lego Group. It does say that. 2002 Lego Group. That's a 2002, so that could be a gem. That could be worth something. Hard to find. There's a piece here that kind of stuck. Okay. Oh, that is one piece, except for that gray piece in there, which can be kind of hard to get out. Right there. There's another Duplo. Yeah, there's the Duplos over here. Well, I mean, you can use those. I'm pretty sure they actually connect. Right, they connect to our Lego. They line up. Yeah, they do. See that? You can actually connect them to regular Lego bricks both ways. I don't know how they would connect to the bottom. Don't get it. They kind of sit on them. They don't really. Yeah. I don't know. There's a lot of plates and a lot bigger plates. There's these things again. Some stands like this in there. So there's some things I can use. There's these oddballs. Some Technic. Definitely Technic. One of the connectors here. So I have to get to. When I get a chance, I'll just sort these things out. And you can't see me looking up there, but I am. But yeah, it's just I don't have much room in this back room here. This is not the Lego room. This is my studio. The studio's pretty small. So it's only like a one-person, two-person studio. Got some more Technic. So you play it like a teenager, maybe, I'm guessing. She also subscribed to my channel. And speaking of that, I hit 200 today, just about an hour ago. I hit 200 subscribers. So appreciate everybody subscribing on that. Do that. Now whether it stays, I don't know. I mean, I just looked maybe about a half hour ago and it was 201. So hopefully that stays like that for good. So let me get to somewhat getting all the Lego out of here and see what I got. If I have anything interesting, I'll let you all know. So yeah, if you see anything in here that you might recognize, I don't think it might be a mask of some sorts. That might be worth something. It's a Bionicle mask. So if you see anything in here that you recognize, let me know if you see anything that you know is worth quite a bit or something like that, or even worth anything. I mean, I can't say I know everything about Lego because I don't know everything, but nobody knows everything. That does not want to come out. There it goes. A lot of these pins too, the axles and stuff. So, yeah, just let me know, and we'll go in my inventory here, and these brown, these ones in front of me here. I got some. No, I can't get that pin out. That black one I just had would have worked perfectly, you know. I hate that when you. Now that's definitely like well, that's a piece of wood. Now there it is. Push that out. I don't exactly have a separator on me right now, but it connects. Yeah. So if you recognize anything here that you know of, let me know. And yeah, In fact, this door right here is all unsorted Lego. So this is going to go in there probably. If I left anything we can put anywhere else. Yeah, there's approximately 9 pounds here. I don't see any dirt or anything. I probably should go and wash it all after separating it all anyway. I don't want to wash the non-Lego. There's no point in it. So once I get it all separated, I'll probably give it a bath. And dry it out with some towels and stuff like that. I know that's Bionicle. That definitely is Bionicle. So, yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll update you all. That's not Lego. It's a brick block. And I'll update you all on this, and let you know what I'll be able to find out of it. So, yeah. I guess there'll be a part 2 coming up sometime in the near future. So subscribe, like this video, and to be notified of any videos in the future that I might be putting up. Well, I will be putting up videos in the future. And I am back. I've been back since yesterday, or day before actually, after a month of hiatus due to my, as you all may know, my mom passed away in January. And then, oh, what am I doing in there? That is Lego. And I found out some news about that didn't make me too happy, and so I had to take a break from YouTube for about a month. I ended up being on here on the 1st, but it didn't work out that way. So yeah, so let me get to this, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.